there is different lead magnet types, and what type of lead magnet you should use, that you have to decide based upon your content. So in this video I am going to cover what types of lead magnet are, and I am also going to give you examples of that lead magnet. Based upon that you can decide which lead magnet is for you and how to use that lead magnet. So let's start this video. Hi, my name is RC Pagade, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to it. It gives me motivation to make more videos like this. And the first type of lead magnet is educational lead magnet. So what are these lead magnets? These are the lead magnets that are highly relevant to your topic, that are highly relevant to your niche. And examples of this type of lead magnet is logged content. You can provide logged video in a membership site, and that may be your lead magnet to generate leads for you. You may provide tutorials of some software, some tool, or you may also provide tutorial for doing some physical tasks. So these type of lead magnet are educational lead magnet, and you can also provide ebooks for free. That is also a type of educational lead magnet. You can also provide the guide what you are trying to achieve for your students. You can provide a step by step full guide. Based upon that you can sell your higher product also, and you can give them the exposure to your systems. I am also providing you MSI setup guide. That is a full step by step guide where you know how to build multiple streams of income by sharing knowledge, and that guide will help you in understanding how I am going to tell you and what you have to do next. So these are the type of educational lead magnet. Webinar also comes under this, and there are some email courses that you can also provide on daily basis, and that will give you high deliverability and high open rate also. And the next type of lead magnet is entertaining lead magnet. These type of lead magnets are working better right now, and you can create these type of lead magnets. Let me tell you the examples of entertaining lead magnet. The first example of entertaining lead magnet is quiz, and the next entertaining lead magnet idea is survey. You can launch a survey, and by asking feedback for that survey you are also collecting leads, and you can provide some incentives to the persons who are responding to your survey, and you can give some digital or physical product for free to the respondents. And next type of entertaining lead magnet is giveaway. If you are not hosting giveaway, I recommend you to host giveaway. By hosting giveaways, you can collect a phenomenal amount of leads, because nowadays people love free stuff and they want to participate in the giveaways very, very strongly. And the next type of lead magnet idea is community building lead magnets. These are the lead magnets that providing other people's support to develop their systems, to grow their business. And these type of lead magnets are challenge. You can launch 30-day challenge, you can launch 100-day challenge, you can launch 1 week challenge to achieve this level of results. By launching this challenge you are actually provoking your prospect to take action, and if he or she is going to take action, he also going to get results, and you will also get lead, and eventually you can convert that in your customer by providing value or by nurturing them well. And the next community building lead magnet is membership site. You can provide courses for free. Some people are providing their basic level courses for free. They are educating people about their topic, and later on they are offering them their premium products, and they are converting them into their customers. And this is the best idea that you can do in the current era, because people love to learn from the person who is expert in their niche. And the next idea is Facebook group under community building lead magnet. If you don't want to build your own community, then you can build a Facebook group, and in that Facebook group you can set your own rules and you can provide value to other people's. And if some persons are creating nonsense in that community, you can throw them out. And the next type of lead magnet idea is bottom of funnel lead magnet. You may be developing your funnel, you may be running advertisements, and in the end of the funnel on bottom you can provide some lead magnets that can collect leads for you, and that also regularly. So the number one lead magnet for bottom of funnel is free trial. You can provide free trials for your courses. You can provide free trials for your memberships. There are softwares that are giving you the facility to set up free trials, and after certain period of free trial, their access will be revoked by software automatically, and they will be prompted to upgrade their membership, or they will be prompted to buy products from your site. And the next lead magnet idea for bottom of funnel is coupons. You can provide coupons. The persons who are visiting your funnel till the end, you can provide them coupon 10% discount, 20% discount. That should be extra than your regular discount. If you are providing 50% discount on regular basis, then if you are going to run coupon lead magnet, then you should provide 5% or 10% extra than that 50%. So people will love to be your lead, or people will love to submit their name or email to you for that coupon. And the next lead magnet idea is free consultation. If you are providing some coaching programs, if you are selling your courses, if you are running communities, if you are running membership sites, then you can provide free consulting to your prospect in the starting. Like I am providing 30 minutes free one-on-one call to discover their niche and to decide how to develop their MSI ecosystem. And by providing that 30 minutes one-on-one coaching call, I am collecting leads and I am converting them into my customers, and they are getting better results. Because sometimes what happens, people don't know what you are offering and your messaging may not be clear. So for that, if you are providing free consultation, they may ask you question, they may clear their doubts, and they can become your customers. So these are the lead magnet ideas for you. And if you found these ideas useful, please like this video and share this video with relevant people so that the YouTube algorithm know the value of this video. And thanks for watching this video. If you have still not downloaded my MSI guide, then you will find the link in the description of this video. Download that MSI guide, and thanks for watching this video.